How to backup and restore OPPO K10 contacts, chats and data. Please note that we can use micro SDXC in its dedicated external memory slot. We can use an external memory card for the backup destination. This phone has Android 12 installed as the factory default operating system. There are some automatic backup options that work without any setup, but we have to make sure that all the procedures work properly. There are some apps that already store their data on the cloud, like Facebook, Instagram or Gmail, and some others. We can skip to backup some apps like this. Some users are having issues with deleted photos and videos. So we have to copy all the videos taken with a triple rear camera of 50 MP for backup plus 2 MP for macro plus 2 MP for depth of field. Follow the tips below to automatically backup all your media files to cloud storage server for free using Google Photos. Many users are not aware of the problems of lost data. Please consider to back up all data before some bad problems happen to your OPPO K10, like lost, stolen, broken or corrupt phone. Please note that some menus may differ due to Android firmware upgrade to the latest version. Simple backup and restore procedure in OPPO K10. On most of the OPPO smartphones, we can find the OPPO backup and restore procedure with simple one-click steps. Turn on the OPPO K10. Open menu settings, additional settings, backup and reset. In some versions, go to settings about phone. Please choose to turn on the backup my data option. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please choose to turn on the automatic restore option. To create a new backup, please click on the backup and restore menu, then click on the create a new backup button. Choose select all data to be backed up and press start backup button, then choose backup to phone storage or backup to external storage. To restore backup data, in steps number 6, we will see a list of backup data that was created before, then choose the date we want to restore. Make sure all the data we want to restore is selected and then click Start Restore. Wait for all data recovery on OPPO K10 to finish. OPPO K10 manual backup and restore procedure. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phone book on OPPO K10. Almost all of us will have many contacts or phone book data in our OPPO K10 which are very important for our activity. We have to back up all important data in a secure location. An important thing when using Android is that we can sync our contact data with the Google account. What we need to do is make sure that our phone is already logged in with our personal Google account. After you sign in with a Google account, by default this phone will automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server, so we will have storage space for 2 phone books, one on OPPO K10 and one on contacts.google.com store. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. Here are the steps to check that our OPPO K10 is already backed up to Google Cloud Server. Turn on the OPPO K10. Open the menu settings users and account Google, and make sure your Gmail account is already set up. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please see our account and make sure sync is turned on. How to back up phone book or contact on OPPO K10 manually to SD card memory. Besides backing up in Google Cloud for our contact, we can also back up or export our contact or phone book in OPPO K10 by using export menu in contact list. Turn on the OPPO K10. Open apps, contacts. Choose all contacts to backup, contacts menu, export contacts. Choose export to storage, SD card. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. Finish OPPO K10 contact backup to memory card. How to backup photo, image on OPPO K10. It is also important to back up the photo because with the good camera quality in OPPO K10 we will have many important photos for special moments. There are several options to back up our media like pictures and photos to several locations. The easiest step is to back up our media to an external microSD memory card. But for this step, we need to prepare our micro SD card first and insert it into the memory card slot of the OPPO K10. Backup or copy to external memory card. Turn on the OPPO K10. Open the home screen. Find File Manager, File Commander and launch it. Choose Internal Storage. We will see many folders. Press and hold on one folder to select. After selecting one folder, we will see the list below. Choose Select All in the menu below. Choose Copy, or Move, but better use Copy to reduce lost files. Select Menu SD card. Choose the new folder where we want to copy those files. Choose Paste. Please be sure to manually check in the microSD folder that all files have already been copied. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on the OPPO K10. Connect your OPPO K10 to the computer with a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the OPPO K10 memory card, otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the OPPO K10, and choose Connect USB as media. If the computer is already able to read the data of the OPPO K10 phone, use the Computer File Explorer to open some folders in the OPPO K10, and copy all the folders or files to a specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is already backed up, exported or copied without problem. OPPO K10 Restore Google_Photos Backup. Backup OPPO K10 photos, videos to Google Photos Cloud Storage. Turn on the OPPO K10. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos apps on the OPPO K10. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose Upload Size with high quality, more files backed up with less file size. By default, the photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when our OPPO K10 is connected to Wi-Fi. OPPO K10 Restore Procedure. Restore backup contact from Google account on OPPO K10. If we reformat or hard reset OPPO K10, all data will be removed or erased, so we need to restore all contacts back to OPPO K10. This is how to restore. Turn on the OPPO K10. Go to Settings Users and Account Google. Add our Google or Gmail account. At the first time, we can force Contact Sync to get back the contacts from Google server to our OPPO K10. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from micro SD card to OPPO K10. Turn on the OPPO K10. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts. Import Contact. Choose Import from Storage, SD card. Choose where we can save our contact. Choose to import vCard file. Follow the tips and tricks to fix and reset your OPPO K10. Restore backup photos and videos from Google Photos in OPPO K10. Install Google Photos on our OPPO K10. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. Sign in to your previous Google account for Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when your OPPO K10 is connected to Wi-Fi, then our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history and media files on OPPO K10. WhatsApp is a popular chat app installed from the Google Play Store. We will have many confidential data and important chat history on WhatsApp, so we need to make sure that all data is backed up securely on our phones and also on cloud servers. Please follow these steps to backup and restore OPPO K10 WhatsApp history and media files on cloud server and local storage.